Think cats are just lucky when they land on their feet? Think again. Cats have a secret weapon called the righting reflex. It's like their own built-in GPS for mid-air flips. When falling, a cat's inner ear helps them figure out which way is up. In a split second, they twist their front and back halves in opposite directions to flip right side up. But wait, there's more. Cats also have super flexible spines and no collarbone, allowing for those acrobatic spins. Plus, their legs act like shock absorbers, making those landings oh so smooth. And here's a fun fact. Kittens start practicing their righting reflex just a few weeks after birth. Talk about starting young. So next time you see a cat nail that landing, remember, it's not magic, it's science. Stay curious, cat lovers.